Come on, let's learn the letter A. Drawing, drawing, letter A. Here comes a red pencil, drawing letter A. Pop, 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 come play with me. Hello, hello, letter A. A is for apple, where are you? Come on, apple, we need you. A and apple dance together, jump and spin in happy weather. A, apple time. Sing it loud, let's rhyme. Come on, let's learn the letter B. Drawing, drawing, letter B. Here comes a blue pencil, drawing letter B. Pop, 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 come play with me. Hello, hello, letter B. B is for ball, where are you? Come on, ball, we need you. B and ball dance together, jump and spin in happy weather. B, ball time, sing it loud, let's rhyme. Come on, let's learn the letter C. Drawing, drawing, letter C. Here comes a green pencil, drawing letter C. Pop, 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 come play with me. Hello, hello, letter C. C is for cat, where are you? Come on, cat, we need you. C and cat dance together, jump and spin in happy weather. C, cat time. Sing it loud, let's rhyme.